Seb here, back with another fidget spinner video. In the last video, I told you that we were going to be doing the 9,999 miles per hour fidget spinner challenge, and that's what we're going to be doing today. Right, so to start it off, let's just give this fidget spinner a spin. Get the hairdryer, the trusty hairdryer. Let's start with low power. Power blew the camera off. I'll put the camera a bit back so that the blast from the hairdryer doesn't blow you over. This is a really strong hairdryer. Sorry about all these inconveniences. It's just a really strong hairdryer. Right, let's try it from here. Hopefully it'll work. This hairdryer is too strong. So, there's a way to solve it, I think. Yeah, I think there's a way to solve it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to film it like this. And then I'm going to blow it from this side, like this. There we are. Hair dryer. Oh, you can hear it. It's like buzzing. It's going so quick. That is going so fast. So anyway, guys, that is how you get a fidget spinner to 9,999 miles per hour. Hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye. Now with the fidget spinner.